Hello, welcome to Mother of Grom. This time around we're going to be making the cat and owner costume from the beloved children's book by Julia Donaldson, Tabby McTat. If you're a frequent visitor here, you'll know that most of our creations start with a large cardboard box from China, which was convenient as we had just spent £1,000 on a camper van fridge. You can follow our travels here. Anyway, back to cutting up more manageable pieces of card using a bread knife for World Book Day for your children's Tabby McTat costume. You're gonna need to start by drawing a rough outline of the character. I started with the guitar. You're then gonna need to cut out the guitar using scissors or a bread knife. Then you're gonna need to look at the neck of the guitar, which gives the overall strength to the costume. I cut out an indent so the neck fitted perfectly and snugly over the body of the guitar like this. Then using the guitar body as a stencil, make another guitar body and cut out with a pair of scissors. Bread knife. Then you need to make another guitar neck or a few more guitar necks, which will ultimately be layered together to incorporate Tabby McTat. The layers gave strength to the costume and went together like this. Two of the necks I included the headstock at the end, which will include the machine heads of the guitar. This was a nimble bit of origami as the outside cardboard necks now slid perfectly over the body of the guitar. Mwah! Mamma mia. Okay, that was the easy bit. Now we're going to have to improvise and put Tabby McTat on the guitar. Tabby McTat on the guitar. Let's start by cutting out Tabby McTat with a bread knife. Okay partners, you've passed the first part of the audition. Now we need to get Tabby McTat incorporated onto the neck of the guitar. Oh hey Claude, you can help us make a second stencil to add some strength to Tabby McTat. That'll do. Okay, so these are all the cardboard parts to the costume. Now lay all these parts out in the correct position, making sure you've not missed anything. Get Gary the trusty glue gun out and get gluing. Now we start adding coloured card on top of the packaging card to give it some colour. Here's some brown card for the body of the guitar. Here's some darker brown for the sides of the guitar. Then just stick them on. I made 3 of these little cardboard details to make the tuning heads of the guitar like so. I used some white card for the head decoration and some grey for the frets. I used Tabby McTat as a stencil to give me a grey backing colour. I then cut it out. The next colour was white, which made Tabby McTat's beard and claws. Not you, Claude, cat claws. I also cut out some eyes and some more claws. Now this was a bit more tricky. It's cutting out black edging to serve as a comic book outline to the costume. Note to self, I should have made the base colour black and built up all other coloured cards over the top, but this worked pretty well. Just a touch more gluing and we had in our hands a great Tabby McTat costume. We just needed our child to grow a grey beard, grow some grey hair, find some Busker's clothes, and we had completed our Tabby McTat costume. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.